A lot of times what we focus in on are hot flashes, and we experience our hot flashes differently. For me personally, I only experience them at night. And it wasn't like the night sweats where I was dripping sweat, where someone will actually have to change their clothing. Mine was like, give me a fan and put it in my face. And it would be like this kind of volcanic feeling within yourself. It's not like so much external heat. It like rises from within you. And then it feels like it's kind of bursting outward, and it lasts maybe a few minutes and it's done. But we all experience our hot flashes differently. And it can be actually affected by your diet. It can be affected by your environment. Also, too, early symptoms of perimenopause could be poor sleep, low libido, vaginal dryness is also a big factor, your mood issues. When I was going through perimenopause, I realized it was much different from, like, say, PMS. And I had to talk to my husband saying, like, I don't mean to be mean to you. I have no idea why I am. Please don't take any offense, but let's talk through it. Probably what my parents were not doing, but let's talk through this so that our relationship is not affected by us. But it is my hormonal changes that all of a sudden I've got these big mood swings. Weight gain is huge as well, where we start to feel like we're getting a lot of weight just concentrated more around our belly area. Joint pain, I think I mentioned low libido. And then a good indicator too is when your menstrual cycle is kind of varied. Like sometimes you'll get a period every 3 months, right? And then it might be light, or the next time it might be heavy. So these erratic periods are a good indicator too that you're within perimenopause. Yeah, Meg, emotional regulation. Yeah, it's kind of extreme. You can get pretty irritable, and that's why I feel like leaning on your practice of yoga is a good way for you to just kind of calm the mind down, whether you use it for meditation or breathing techniques, or just simply getting on your mat to move, to kind of release a lot of that anger or the emotions that are welling up inside of you.